So here we are looking at RFMK. I've gotten a few questions on this one over the past couple of days, and just now I'm able to get to the chart. But nice looking chart here. Past couple of days haven't been the most exciting, but well, I should take that back if you're a day trader. Definitely some nice bounces that have been happening in here. But as far as the overall chart's concerned, and for those players that are looking at it for a longer term swing trade or just the overall kind of story of the company or whatever, definitely some consolidation days, so I just want to kind of map out some support resistances and what you want to see happen from the charting perspective going into next week. So let's first start out on just kind of the price action, and you can see here, nice big move, nice volume, and then Thursday and Friday of this week, clearly just sideways action, pullback action, whatever you want to call it, but price did essentially just go sideways. But the good news with that is we can just chalk this up to consolidation. Sure, it went sideways and had some red days here, but the key support levels did hold. And you also look down here at volume, and you can see it was definitely less than what it was on the breakout day. And as any volume analysis, textbook or whatever will tell you, that's exactly what you want to see on upwards days. You want to see volume as big as possible, but on sideways days or pullback days, the less volume, the better. And it's hard to argue that volume definitely dropped off during these two consolidation days here, which is exactly what you want to see happen. So looking at some supports here, there's really one that sticks out quite a bit, and then the other two are there too. But the main one that I see and that you ideally want to see hold is this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and that's valued at 0.0043. You can see here that when the price broke above it, back tested it here and held up fine. Today went down here, didn't quite hit it, but pretty close. So this is going to be the first level of support that you want to see hold strong. The next level is more important than the 200-day. Don't get me wrong, the 200-day is important, but we have this level down here, and if I put it right there, that kind of splits the difference between the other areas. This level is a little bit more important, and we'll call this one 0.0035. And if you look back here, you can see resistance. The price just has a lot of history right around this level. So 0.0035 is going to be the other level of support. And excuse me, this should be green for support, not resistance. So let me change that. There we go. And then the final one, and this is definitely for the people, and this for the longer haul, is the 50-day simple moving average here. If you're a day trader, of course, you don't want to see it drop all the way down here. But for the overall chart and the long-term chart, this is the level that you want to see the price continue to hold above. So for you longer-term players, the 50-day is your must-hold level of support. Resistances, this one's a walk in the park. Is that the James Bond level is going to be the key level of resistance, 007 up here. After that, it is blue sky breakout territory. It's looking like this one's been given kind of a thorn in the side, so I'll make that line a little bit thicker. But James Bond, 007, definitely the level of resistance. But after that, if you scrunch up the chart, you can see that it's lots of blue skies above here. So that'll be the only level of resistance that I think the chart really pertains to right now, is Mr. James Bond up here. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was RFMK. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.